Imagine an internet where nothing is real, nobody uses their name, and every click could expose you to a criminal. But for hackers, this place is normal. Today, let me take you inside the hidden internet they use every day. When people hear dark web, they picture a scary place. But let me say this clearly. The dark web isn't a monster. It's just a hidden part of the internet that doesn't show up on Google. Normal websites use Chrome or Safari. Hackers use Tor, proxies, and encrypted networks. That's all. The danger comes from what people do there, not the place itself. Hackers use the dark web for one simple reason: privacy. Not the innocent kind you and I need, but the kind that allows someone to commit a crime and walk away without leaving fingerprints. On the normal internet, your IP address follows you like a shadow. On the dark web, that identity disappears. It's like walking into a crowded market with a mask on. Nobody knows who you are. Let me show you how the journey usually begins. A hacker never goes straight into the dark web from their home network. They first hide behind a VPN or a chain of proxies, sometimes multiple layers deep. Then they use Tor browser. The moment they click connect, their traffic starts bouncing around the world, passing through volunteer computers that scramble their identity. Only after that do they enter the actual dark web spaces. Inside, it doesn't look like the internet you know. There are marketplaces, yes, but not colorful ones like Amazon. These are cold, plain pages with strange names. Some last only a few weeks before vanishing. Others grow so big that thousands of hackers visit them daily. You will find listings for stolen logins, hacked databases, leaked email passwords, malware subscriptions, or even ransomware kits sold like monthly software plans. The scariest part? Everything is rated, reviewed, and organized just like a normal store. Hackers buy and sell access to companies. They trade entire login panels. They rent out servers they already compromised. Some even offer customer support. It looks crazy from the outside, but it's a business to them. Here's something most people don't know. Many of the scams you see on WhatsApp or social media start from these markets. A hacker buys a list of emails. Another hacker buys a phishing kit. A third hacker buys a tool to send bulk messages. And suddenly, millions of people receive the same scam in one night. It doesn't happen because one person is smart. It happens because they share everything in these hidden communities. But even with all this secrecy, hackers fear one thing: getting caught by their own customers. That's why the dark web has a strange rule: trust nobody. And that brings us to the most important lesson you can take from this video. If hackers don't trust strangers online, why should you? Most attacks start by tricking someone who doesn't know the truth. Knowing how these places work already makes you harder to fool. When you understand that your data is valuable, you stop giving it away for free. When you hear the word urgent, you pause. When someone tries to rush you, you step back. This is how you protect yourself. Awareness is your first shield. The dark web is hidden from you, but now it's not a mystery anymore. If you learned something new today, hit like, share this video, and subscribe to Hack Only Evil for more simple, eye-opening cyber lessons.